guys, I'm back, Tito Kyle. Where I am? I'm in Cebu. Okay, I have a question. What is the number one fiesta in Cebu? Yes, Sinulog. Okay, you know what is the number two? I say Labangon. It's a Siomai sa Tisa fiesta. It's a Labangon fiesta. You can search in Google Siomai Tisa fiesta. Why? Because all this town are they're all selling Siomai. Can you imagine? Siomai Tisa. Everybody are selling Siomai. This is all Siomai street. Let's go. Number one. He said don't use number one, but this I have to use it. This is the number one Siomai for me. Number one. You see here so many Siomai. I'm only going that store. Alright, you see here many food. All fried, right? We call ponko ponko food, but I don't like it. This place, you should eat only Siomai. I guess Siomai. Siomai? Yeah. 3 Japanese, 3 pork, please. 4 Japanese. Oh, I love Japanese. And 4 pork. Thank you. Okay, and here, yes. Oh my god. I love Siomai. Thank you po. Let's go. Hi. Here I am. Oh. Okay, you know, I know it looks so cheap, right? But it tastes so good. You know, I'm sure if you're my subscriber, I also been many nice Chinese dining here in Manila and Cebu, like a Paradise or like a Louis Tea House. Believe me, if you compare just for the Siomai, by the way, I have a travel several times Hong Kong. I have experience, have a Hong Kong Siomai. Believe me, Siomai itself, okay, but if this one combined together with the puso, this goddamn sauce, Siomai, this will beat everybody. Okay, let's go. First, you squeeze all the calamansi everywhere. More. To the sauce. Yay! Okay. And, of course, puso. I love puso. I love cold puso. Okay, another tip, I put some toyo in puso. Thank you guys. I love you. I'm not joking. This one first. I explain you first, okay? You dip to the sauce. You see here? Before you chew, the round 2. Before you swallow, you know, my director says, don't say number one. You speak number one too much. This one, I have to tell. Number one, I don't want to say this is number one Siomai, because this is not. But when you have puso, chili sauce, Siomai, like this is different food. It's no longer Siomai. Yeah, this is the right explanation. This is no longer Siomai. I can say, I really strongly suggest you, just for this, Just this food, you should travel to Cebu. Believe me. Because, I mean, no, I don't want to say anything. Let me let me finish my eating first. It's so good. It changed to totally different food. Believe me. Oh, I have a good explain. Sashimi, right? I'm sure everybody like a sashimi and raw fish. Some not, but if sashimi with the sushi rice, when it's combined, totally different food, right? That's what I'm saying. There are so many sashimi, there are so many Siomai, but there are only one Siomai with the rice combination. Oh, this is number one. If you ask Kyle, hey Tito Kyle, where would you go? Hong Kong dim sum place or Siomai Tisa with the pusoe? This combination. Don't ask. I promise to my director, I will not say number one often. I will not say number one often. This is the last one. Number one, Siomai with the rice. Can I have three more? Oh. Don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up. Thank you always. Out there. Can I have two more Siomai? No, four more.